What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. I am going to get in my truck for no reason, because my boredom is through the roof. So we are outside, and here it is. Now I am going to show y'all the beautiful front end. Oh yeah. All right. God. I was in here like 5 minutes ago and I was like, hey, let's make a video. And my little sister didn't want to do it with me. As you see, there's freaking beehives everywhere. As you see, bees over there. Alright, now let's get in this motherfucker. This thing's high as fuck. I think I'm like 5'7", pushing 5'8". Yep, this has been sitting in my grandma's backyard for like as long as I've been alive. As you see, quadrillion amount of bees. Horn doesn't work. Does the brake work? No. Does the gas work? Wait, does it? Am I even pushing it the right way? Oh, nope. Is it moving? Pedal to the fucking metal right now. Oh my god. I think it's actually moving. Wait, no. Never mind. Does this work? I'm hot. Never mind. I'm cold. Yo, what the fuck? Oh my. Oh, wait. Now I know what it is, because under this thing, the AC shit is under there. Hope I don't die. I am pressing the brake right now. Now, do I press the brake like new cars? No. See, I gotta put all that wire shit like fucking. Now, I'm pretty sure in the old trucks, this is the shifter. How does this thing even work? Look. You see, I could probably even put a fucking screwdriver in there. And she'll probably start. See, I'm only 12, pushing like 5'8". Look how big I am in this truck. Like, I can clearly. You guys are like right next to the steering wheel. Look. And look how big I am. If I can, I could probably fucking drive if I really wanted to. And look at these badass mirrors. They are so badass. And I left this blanket in here like 2 years ago when my uncle moved it. Did y'all see that truck in front of us? Yeah. This truck was where that truck was. What this truck, aka my truck, was where my uncle's truck was. Was the truck right in front of us? This may look small on the outside because it's big as like every new truck nowadays, but it has a 6-inch lift with 35. How to fucking slam the door for it to work. let me tell y'all a story about that truck. So one time, my mom and her friend Abby or something, were like fucking shit. They're just driving. I legally can't tell you where they were because you guys probably know where we live, you know? And let's just say we were in the mountain. Well, they were in the mountains. I wasn't even born. They're just driving, right? Then the passenger door fell off. So my mom's friend had to hold the door because that's my mom's old truck, you know? And, they saw this, like, cougar-y bear thing, and it had fucking red eyes, and it was on a tree, and it was bigger than the truck, and look how big that motherfucker is compared to that car. So, they were pretty spooked. They got home next morning. They asked their boss, Todd. Well, let's call him Fred, in fact. This guy's name was Fred. So, he was my mom's boss, you know? So, he welded that door like 40 different times. So, that's the end of that story. I'll tell you more if you want, I guess. See you later.